Hi everyone, my name is Bridget Weinman. My current field placement is at an inpatient hospice house, but occasionally we do go out into the community and see hospice patients receiving hospice care in their home or in a facility, whether that be a skilled nursing facility or assisted living facility. What prompted me to take medical social work as an elective is that I've always been interested in medical social work and just the ability to work in conjunction with nurses and doctors and other members of the interdisciplinary team have always interested me. I feel like that it's so important to be able to assess someone's biopsychosocial needs and to see how those factors can correlate to their medical needs. My undergraduate field placement was with case management in a hospital. I've also worked at a skilled nursing facility, and my first field placement for my MSW was with a home health care agency. So I've really enjoyed all of those experiences, and once again, working with like the medical aspect of things with social work. So I'm really excited to learn more about medical social work, specifically with those experiencing the end stages of life, which is why I am currently in a hospice field placement. So some major takeaways that I hope that I get from this course is learning more about ethical issues, enhancing the importance of patient rights, and to get a deeper understanding of different type of medical social work and hopefully to strengthen my assessment skills. So I really look forward to watching all of your videos and reading your posts and getting to know you. Thanks.